Hey everyone, I'm Robert Hall, and this video is a how-to guide on using the V350S for Sony cameras. If you're looking for a review on the Godox V350, you can find that right up here. And if you're looking for more videos on photography equipment, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notification. When using the V350 on your Sony camera, first make sure that your silent shooting is turned off. When in silent mode, the flash will not be triggered as the camera is using its electronic shutter. In the camera's flash settings, you can choose between rear curtain, front curtain, and fill flash. If you'd like to use HSS, set the camera to fill flash. There is no control of flash power or zoom with the V350 from within the camera menu. Open the battery door by sliding it downward. Place the battery in with the pull tab facing outward. The bottom right button is the power button. Holding it will turn the flash on, and pressing it again will turn the flash off. The left button is a test button and will fire the flash. The mode button allows you to toggle between manual, TTL, and stroboscopic menu. In manual, the dial will change the power setting. In TTL, you can press set and then the dial will change the TTL exposure compensation. Multi-mode is stroboscopic, which will fire your flash multiple times during a single exposure. Using the dial will change the stroboscopic output, which is limited to 1/4 max power. Hitting set once will let you change the hertz or number of flashes per second. Hitting set again will let you modify the total number of flashes. Your shutter speed must be longer than the total number of flashes divided by hertz. For instance, 20 total flashes at 5 hertz requires a shutter speed of 4 seconds or longer. The zoom setting is set by default for APS-C cameras. You can leave it in auto, which will use your focal length for the zoom setting, or you can manually select between wide angle to telezoom options. Bringing out the wide angle diffuser will automatically switch the zoom to 12mm, as it assumes you are looking for maximum spread of light. If you find that your flash is locked in 12mm, check to make sure the wide angle diffuser is pushed all the way in. Holding the zoom button opens the custom functions. The first option is standby, which can be turned on or off. Pressing the trigger on your camera will automatically wake it from standby. The next option allows you to turn off or on the autofocus assist beam, although currently this is not compatible with all cameras. Next is the backlight, which you can choose between off, on, and an auto off after 10 seconds of no interaction. Final custom function is ID, which allows you to reduce the chance of interference from other devices by assigning a 2-digit ID to your flash equipment. The sync button toggles HSS on and off, which is shown with the H symbol on the LCD. Holding the sync button allows you to switch between radio off, master, and slave. The master is represented with an M in the left-hand corner. Once in master, you can use the slave button to navigate between the master and off-camera groups A, B, and C. Each group can be controlled by following the same instructions as controlling the master as a standalone unit. Switching to slave mode will be shown with an S in the left hand of the LCD next to the radio symbol. Holding the slave button in both master and slave modes will allow you to change the channel of the flash. To use 2 or more flashes together, make sure that your master and your slaves are all in the same channel. I hope this video on the Godox V350 helped you out. Leave a like if it did, subscribe if you want to see more, and comment below with any questions. Until next time, keep on shooting, YouTube.